This is another episode of Fluent English. Today we have a fun game for you. Let's talk about the Apple Watch Series 10. Can you guess what's new? Is it faster, slimmer, or maybe smarter? Stay around to find out. Round 1. Guess the look. Do you think the new Apple Watch is bigger or smaller than the last one? You're right. The Apple Watch Series 10 is very slim and sleek. This makes it easy to wear all day, even when you're busy.
Slim, thin. Sleek, smooth and nice to look at.
Round 2. New features. The Apple Watch Series 10 has a lot of cool features. Can you guess one of them? Is it flying mode, better health tracking, can make pizza? Great job! The Apple Watch Series 10 can track your heart rate, sleep, and even help you breathe calmly.
Feature, a special functional thing something can do. Track, follow or watch closely. Heart rate, how fast your heart beats.
Round 3. How long can it last? How long do you think the battery lasts? Is it 2 hours? 18 hours? Forever? The answer is 18 hours. The Apple Watch can last all day, almost forever. So you don't need to worry about it running out of power.
Battery, the part that gives power to a device. Power, energy to make something work.
Now for the final round. Would you buy it? Do you think this Apple Watch is worth buying? Would you like to have one? Comment your answer down below. That's right, write it now. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 10 is slimmer, smarter, and great for your health. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.
Worse, good enough to buy or use. Guess, to think of an answer without being sure. Calmly, in a quiet, relaxed way.